hello. So it's summer, which means this video is going to get approximately 6 views. So I feel like I can play around with the loyal 6 of you and try out with some new experimental type content this week. 2 new videos this week, one on fitness and one that's more of like, one that will fit more in like the John Fish genre of videos. Normal content will be coming back again in August, so real soon, but for this little period where we have a little bit of freedom, we're gonna take advantage of it. Fitness is really important to me. Track in high school, I did basketball, I grew up playing sports all the time, and when high school finished and I suddenly had like no athletic commitments, I got really scared and I was like, okay, I know it's a lot easier to stay in shape than it is to get in shape, so I can't lose this. Like, I need to stay in shape. Like, I need to do what I can to make that happen. I knew that I can be motivated if I have a goal, and so that was my goal, just to stay in shape, to not lose it. So that means working out 3 to 6 times a week. So I'm just gonna kind of talk to you guys about how I design my workout routines, how tips for helping you design yours. Yeah, I'm by no means certified nutritional expert, exercise workout expert, or anything like that. This is just what works for me. The gym especially can be very intimidating for some people. I have a lot of friends that are terrified when they step into a gym because they don't know what to do, they don't know what all the machines do, and I hope this video can kind of help ease some of that anxiety. Start out with a what's in my gym bag. So we got a water bottle. You know, I've got to stay hydrated. Pass that will get me into my gym. I'm just going to Planet Fitness this summer because your girl's cheap. A banana. I'm going to eat this in a few minutes because I have not eaten anything yet today and I don't like to work out on an empty stomach. Sneakers that, you know, match the outfit because gotta be a vibe. Just little wireless headphones. I'm personally a fan of these. They're Black Web. I got them from Walmart, I think, for $20. They're great. They've never broken or anything like that. I forgot to peel this part of the banana. Give you guys a little idea of how I normally structure my workout. Believer in not just doing the same workout every day. I don't think that's the best way that you can treat your body, you know? I have like a list of like 10 gym workouts in my phone, and honestly, like, I'll share them, like, whatever. They're not too difficult or anything. At the gym, I usually circulate through those. Sometimes I'll make up another one on the fly. If I want to change pace or I don't feel like going to the gym that day, I'll go on like a short, like 15-20 minute run and then come back to the house and do some little ab workouts or leg workouts that you don't need weights for, just body weight stuff. Or if I'm really feeling motivated, I'll go to a track, I'll go out on the roads and I'll do some sprint workouts, because in high school I was a sprinter. I wasn't like the best sprinter in the world, but like I love sprinting. I love the feeling of being fast, and so I like to go back to those workouts when I have the chance, even if they do kill me. My old age. My most basic gym workout is just separated into 1, 2, 3 parts. First part is stretching. I always like to start out with stretching. There will be footage. I think it's really important, and I've definitely noticed that I'm less sore when I stretch beforehand. Second part is cardio. Like I mentioned, I like to do 10 to 15 to 20 minutes of cardio. Sometimes I'll make cardio my whole workout and like bike 10 miles or something like that. I like to start off with cardio to warm up my body but not go too far in, because I am more of a strength-oriented person. The third component is lift. So some people like to do leg day, arm day, ab day. I personally usually just like to do a mix because I'm very big into just a full body workout, like that feeling of using my whole body. A lift might look like for me is I'll do a superset of back squats, and then I'll go like under the bar and I'll do some pull-ups that way. Then I'll do some tricep dips, and I'll do like 5 to 8 rounds of that. And then if I'm feeling up to it, I'll go do some abs. Like honestly, like I would stay at the gym for several hours at a time, but usually I'm just busy. And these kind of workouts are definitely under an hour, under 45 minutes even. Exercise like helps, it's great, like you'll burn some calories, cool, awesome, good for you, but Body will be mostly affected by what you put into it, not what you do to it. So, you know, I don't diet, I don't do anything like that, but I am very conscious of what I put into my body. So I don't do it quite as regularly anymore, but especially in high school when I was training for several hours every day and I was trying to like reach my own optimal performance, I would monitor everything I put into my body. Even if it was just like a bite of a chocolate bar, I would log it in my phone, and I would make sure I have the breakdown of how many carbs, fats, and proteins were in everything I ate. I tried to shoot for eating twice as many carbs as I did fats and proteins. I shot for around 120 grams of protein every day. And it's kind of like a little high for somebody my size, but I was trying to build muscle and I was trying to do that. I wasn't much of a cardio person. I think something I pride myself in that helps a lot with my diet is the fact that I don't snack. So for breakfast in the morning, I'll have like protein bar, Nutri-Grain bar, banana or something light, especially if I'm going to the gym that morning and don't want to work out on a heavy stomach. Then for lunch, you know, I'll have like a big sandwich, like I'm talking bacon, avocado, like BLT, kind of like a nice sandwich, you know, maybe some chips, maybe a little bit more. I'm on a meal plan right now, so really just whatever the main dish is that the dining hall is serving, and then maybe like a cookie or something. And then for dinner, like I'll always have at least like 1 or 2 servings. Honestly, like I don't ever feel the need to really snack. Like I'm a big dessert gal. Like I will almost always go for dessert. I love chocolate. Literally when I was younger, my older sister's 16 and a half years older than me. When I was younger, I used to like go and visit her college dorm when I was like 2 or 3 years old. I would knock on people's dorms like this little random 3-year-old knocking on your college dorm in Boston. And they would open it up and I would say, "Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm a chocoholic. Do you have any chocolate for me?" And I would get really sad if they didn't, and then they would get sad because I was an adorable little 3-year-old just asking them for chocolate. Apparently though, there's this one dorm that would like always give me popcorn though, so thank you. I'm gonna head to the gym now, but I'm falling. Oh my god. Anyway, I will see you there. That was scary, I'm sorry. Actually, you know what, I'm not sorry. I'm a strong lady. My key for my little Honda Fit got stuck in the car door the other day and I was stranded in a parking lot for several hours and AAA came and they couldn't do anything. They just kind of messed around with it a little bit. And we're like, oh, well, we're just gonna make it worse. You should call a locksmith or something, but can't really do that right now. So I have a key sticking out the side of my car right now. This is the spare. My parents mailed me it because I didn't have it. So that's a good look for me. We're back here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, whatever. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. I don't expect this video to get a lot of views, but you know, this is a big part of my life, so I figured I'd share it with you. Hopefully you took maybe something helpful away from this, or not. Whatever. Yeah, okay. I'm stumbly. I don't know how to speak English. I'm gonna go now and watch the new season of Orange is the New Black. Bye. Just kidding. I'm going to the gym. What am I saying? I'm gonna watch Orange is the New Black later today. I'm a mess.